I'm sorry. What is actually happening?
We have more wild and crazy beauty trends.
Is that a freaking joke?
I'm very excited about this look for you.
Ow! Mine's not coming off. Help! Just when you think you've seen everything on the internet, all of a sudden, somebody comes in super hot with something absolutely crazy, and you're like,
I'm sorry, what?
What are you doing to us, internet?
I know. I've seen how someone's supposed to do their makeup like 20 different times, right? Like low concealer, high concealer, and it changes your entire face. It's like, I thought that this is how I was supposed to do my makeup.
So we have gathered 5 beauty trends from the internet, and we are going to attempt, the keyword here is attempt, to perform these trends as well and as gracefully as the makeup vloggers and YouTubers and TikTokers do right here in the studio today.
I try. I've given up a long time ago, but I always am willing to try.
Okay, so this is not necessarily a trend as it is more just a product. It's a really cool product. I can totally see why something like this would go viral on TikTok because it's not something that I have ever seen before. It is by BYO Blush.
Are they saying bring your own blush? Because if they are, I love that.
That is very clever if they were saying that.
Blush.
Because it is a color changing blush oil, so it's gonna be different for every single person that wears it because it's based on pH. Or maybe it's just bio blush and we're thinking way too much about it.
I'm overthinking.
There's glitter on the inside, which is very confusing.
Now it does have some very questionable ingredients listed first, but if you go down a few ingredients, then it does have like beeswax, macadamia, some seed oil. So there are some good things in there, but I am curious, like what's the science behind this bad boy? Wow, you just really went in.
Whoa, look!
Let me see.
Holy crap! What? Oh my God, you don't see how pigmented it is?
Oh, it wasn't that color pink before?
No!
Oh, okay, all right.
It like gradually gets darker and darker and darker. Look, it's clear. Then look, it's kind of cool. It's kind of fun. It makes putting on makeup fun.
It smells very chemically.
Shay, that's not the point, okay? The point is it gonna work and make your cheeks and lips pink?
I think the point is, how does it work?
Look at that.
Did you put it on
I didn't put it on the top so you can see the difference.
Damn, your pH levels and your
different.
lips are very different. Dude, mine is so pink. Let me see yours now.
Dang.
Your bottom lip is hella pink. I feel like it turns pink on everyone. Let's be real.
Wow, I'm gonna look crazy by the end of this video. So,
are you ready?
Yes.
Don't make me do this alone. Okay.
Here we go.
Yeah. Wow, it goes on pink, straight up.
Ooh, yeah, that's not the blush color I want.
Let me see.
You know what I mean? Why are you looking like that?
I don't like it. I don't like it on me either. If you were maybe going for a no makeup look and you didn't have any powder on, you're just trying to do like a little bit of a rosy cheek, maybe it would work.
Maybe. Like a fresh face, like you're going to the beach and you just put a little bit of this on so you have a nice little rosiness.
I really don't think she blended it in that much because this is so liquidy that like eventually you're gonna blend it in and it's kind of gonna be like moisturizer in a way, you know? Look how
oh my gosh, why is yours so pink?
Yeah, but like watch, the more I blend, it kind of just goes away. No. She must have not been really blending it in that much.
It's there, and I'm darker than you.
It actually looks better on top of powder, to be honest.
Let me see if I could take it off with this.
Wow, that's really pink. When I am picking out blush, I am never going for pink. Especially if you are of a darker complexion. I think most of us brown girls can agree that what you're going for is that more like muted, but not muted necessarily, it's more like a reddish pink, because it doesn't look right, you know?
Much better. I'm scared.
Mine's not coming off.
Ooh, yeah, no, I'm gonna pass just off of that alone. I don't want this. It's cool, it's different. You got someone to buy it, but I'm not gonna be a second time buyer.
I'm never putting that on my face ever again.
Yeah.
Never again, never.
I've never seen this before. You've seen this?
I've seen it before.
These are heatless crimpers. These are kind of crazy.
I've seen this so many times and I was actually really intrigued because they've had different versions of this to try to achieve the same thing, but it was a lot more difficult. The other ones, I think you have to like wrap your hair. It's a lot more work. This is supposed to be very seamless. If this really does work with no heat, you leave it in. This is something I actually do need.
Crimping has never been something that's ever worked for me because my hair is really thick. So it crimps I look like Mufasa.
So you're supposed to put these together.
Damp hair works better.
Which makes sense because it'll mold to that.
Start with damp hair or use like a mister to get your hair just a little bit like, not wet, just damp. And then you connect the two little wandy things, stick your hair through it.
And then, and then grab that. Wait, gentle. Okay, go.
Oh, okay.
Is my hair in?
Yeah, it's in.
That was really fast.
That was really fast.
That was actually really fast. And the hair's all the way in there. Let's do a bigger chunk.
Okay.
Which-
Do you want a lavender one?
Oh yeah, pretty.
I don't know how to do it.
Well, you better try.
How do you do it?
Put this through here first.
Oh, put this in
Yeah.
here? Like in here? Okay, all right.
Okay, I'll
Now
talk
what
about
do
it in a
you
second. Twist the hair. You pull the wand through the bottom. Don't mess this up now.
What do you mean twisting?
Okay,
what are you
look.
twisting?
Like this. Go like, I can't see. Maybe it's too big of a strand, but like you go like this and then twist it and
I
then
did that.
and then pull it at the bottom. And go.
I'm pulling?
It's fine.
It's pulling right here. I can see
Yeah.
it.
Go ahead. Ow! Ow!
I told you.
Stop! Help! Sinead.
What?
Okay. I'm glad that this is entertaining you. See?
I told you I
the
did
way
exactly
do
what
it
you
yourself.
did.
Don't ask a friend because they'll mess it up.
You did it yourself that
I'm
time.
gonna
and
leave
you still
here with
messed
some
it up.
dreads. Damn.
Yeah, maybe
okay,
you're
look.
not supposed to twist it. You said to twist it.
That's because, just hook it. Okay, let me show you because I did it really fast. I did it really
Look
fast.
at me like that. Even though multiple times Jackie said you gotta twist it.
Twist the hair, twist it.
See? Hook it.
Don't twist it this time.
But what,
Don't twist it.
then what's the point?
I don't know.
See, already, I'm done. Like, never again. I'm good. Like, this is already too much of a learning curve. Like, I'm good.
We jinxed it when the first one went
The first
so
one,
well.
I killed it.
You have to hold the hair up here and then you pull.
Okay, and then now, yeah, just push it out. Go, 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 go,
Yes,
go!
Yes. No twisting necessary. Don't
Let me
listen to
just-
Jackie and don't let Jackie use these on your hair.
You're the one who messed up my hair.
Twist the hair, twist it.
We'll spank you with this.
The amount of time that took versus me using like an actual curling wand
Yeah.
is a lot faster.
But now we have.
But I don't want to walk around my house like this.
Yeah,
I don't want to
long-
sleep in this.
How long does it take is what I need to know.
No, ma'am.
Why?
I
Did
don't
it
know.
pull on your hair?
Not really.
Oh.
I'm just being dramatic.
Drama.
Let's see, what does it say? 15 to 20 minutes.
False.
So keep the curlers on your hair for about 15 to 20 minutes until completely dry. So you could actually potentially do
Right.
this and just blow dry your hair.
So
like-
if you have damp hair, you do it, then you use a blow dryer.
being a woman is so hard.
These things are never easy.
Here's my beef. There's hacks out there that are actually useful and make the makeup process fast and cool and efficient. Then there's just hacks out there that people are like, I want views, I want to be different, and this is gonna pop off just because I actually am choosing to do eyeliner with a bobby pin. This is dumb to me.
Here-
this is
yeah.
so dumb to me.
Here's the thing, it is really hard to do a top liner, and this trend is using the actual bobby pin to create the wing liner. But I do think that sometimes these hacks just be going a little too far.
When you think of the wing, it's a very sharp line on both edges and it's like more of a triangle. This is not a triangle, this is a teardrop.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Here, let me see how you're doing it. Like
I'm just gonna
this,
put
right?
it on the corner because that's where
Like
I need to
this?
do it as for a hooded eye.
This is how she did it, right?
Yeah, and then you just color it in.
This is not gonna be good.
It's already hard just to keep it placed. Okay, that's where I want it.
Is that a freaking joke?
I'm really gonna try my best at being good at this. I don't wanna see what you look like yet.
It's not good. It's hard to get in there.
Actually, that's not bad. It's not gonna create the line, but I
Look at
think
mine. You're saying like once you fill it in?
yeah, because here's the thing, for the people that I know that have a really hard time creating a cat eye, their hand gets all shaky and they don't finish it out.
I see what you're
correctly.
saying.
So look, this like creates it and then you just go in and fill it out like this.
Yeah, and especially if you do just clean it up right away, maybe with like one of those Q-tips that have like the sharp ends.
Why are you putting the eyeliner on this then just to create? Like, isn't that the same thing as the actual eyeliner to use this point? Like, what's the point? What's the
There
purpose?
is no point.
People just piss me off sometimes.
Don't waste my time.
Cool. I could have done that with the actual eyeliner.
It's a good starting off point, but this is still way better to use than the bobby pin. The bobby pin didn't even come out like that dark either, you know?
See that little loop-de-loop down there?
But that's what I'm saying. It's like this part underneath here, like, especially because it's a teardrop. If it was a straight line, right? And it was more of like a triangle shape in here, that would be better. But because it's a teardrop, you get a little bit of like runoff on the end and it doesn't get the right shape.
Good job for making something creative to blow up your TikTok or Instagram. Your original, and it was fun and it was like different. Does it actually do anything? No.
And I also don't really like the way it looks.
I actually have seen this new trend recently. Apparently the trend is an ombre concealer. So you start off with like a highlight, your concealer, and then 2 different blushes. You know how people started doing their blush way up here?
Yes.
And it just kind of like flushing out. So now you're just kind of essentially doing it all in one. This is a trend that I'm like, I would try that. I don't
We're using
what is
Pro Conceal.
what is highlighter underneath your eye?
I don't know,
I've never done that.
done that.
So she did kind of like this.
Damn, it looks like white out, doesn't it?
Yeah, it freaks me out actually, but I'm just gonna go with the trend. Oh, you put in a lot.
She did? You saw her?
It's kind of hurting my eyes.
Did you put it in your eye?
No, not in my eye, but the brightness of it is filling really.
It looked like Black Swan.
I'm scared. This looks wild.
And then the blush goes like up high, I guess.
Listen, I think we should just walk out just like this. Warrior paint. No, not feeling
Girl,
it?
no.
Okay, fine.
You have a mirror in front of you.
You see what you look like, right?
It's not working.
You have to blend one part at a time.
Oh yeah, because what else happened?
defeating
Look
the
what I
purpose?
did. Like the pink is over here now.
Yeah, no.
Oh no.
No.
Who uses white highlighter? I don't get it. Like, does it blend in?
It's giving me gray face.
I'm sorry. What is actually happening?
What is up with this hideous color? I look like a corpse.
But at least yours does look blended. It looks ombre.
It looks ombre, but none of these shades are my shade because it's giving me like that really ashen tone, you know? Like it's not warm enough.
Hers looked good.
We don't know how much time she really took to fix it, you know?
See, no. This is a hell no. I think even if you had like the colors that you actually really loved, blending the 3 in that way, you would think in your head that it would blend effortlessly and be beautifully ombre, but no, it's just like a hodgepodge of colors. I'm gonna try to fix this up really quick, hold on. So you just use a little bit of concealer. You can see this.
It's the white that
And then the
really makes
pink.
it super ashen looking, which
Yeah.
I could get for like a really, really beat look, right?
Also, when I'm doing my concealer, I like to just move it all the way up the eye. And then when you're doing different colors, it restricts you from doing that because you don't want them to blend back and forth. So you kind of have to get the inner bits of your eyes first and then go out.
And it's just too cold, so I just end up putting up a little bit more of my own color concealer over
See,
it.
that makes sense to me. Look, so I kind of went back in with the concealer, just the concealer and one blush. It looks crazy, but it looks way better than the white and then the pink.
This is a highlight. It should really only be used as a dot, like right here, and then like on the tip of your nose.
Why are you using white? You don't need white.
Ew, I look like I've aged 10 years. No one should ever have that much concealer on under their eyes. It's like,
I'm scared of both of us,
I'm
actually.
gonna haunt you in your dreams
I'm scared
tonight.
of both of us.
All right, stop it. You're freaking me out.
Okay, this next thing is a hack, I guess. If you've always been dying to achieve that star look on your eyelids, I bet I look even crazier talking after I put all the concealer on under my eyes. Nikki Tutorials did it, but she also was doing it off of somebody else that was doing it. So clearly this has been going around. The idea is to get a star-shaped design, and you're using star stickers. We remember these, right? This is the stickers that we all had in our elementary school, right? You got like how many stars you get until the end of the week. Then you get to pick something out of the fun jar. You basically, all you do is put it on there. You're putting blush over it because once you remove it, you're gonna have a perfect little outline.
I think this is really cool. I think this is like a cool trend.
Yeah.
I mean, but who knows like how is it really gonna look on us compared to like an actual professional makeup artist.
You really have to really commit to a look like this. If you have a star on your eyelid, it's
You
like
gotta
your
do-
whole look is very dramatic, you know? Otherwise, I think you just gonna end up looking a little cray.
Crazy.
Yeah.
So we're using the Morphe by Abby Roberts palette.
I'm gonna use a silver star.
Ooh, this is fun colors.
Big
This is
star.
a good palette.
Ooh, okay, so we could do like a silver spooky season.
Basically, you use a dark color and then you use a lighter color to blend it out.
I'm actually really excited about this. I hope it turns out. You know, it's very easy, and that's the thing. You can kind of just like go over it like sloppily and then go back in later and blend it out. These are fun colors, by the way. Whose palette is this again? A Tickety Talkater?
Yeah, Abby Roberts.
Ooh, this like starlit one? It appears white here, but you guys can see it's kind of this bluish color. Ooh, pretty.
All right,
Are you ready?
just about.
Just know that my makeup is like completely crazy. I went like a whole galaxy route, you know?
No, so did I.
Okay, great.
Ready? Should we use a tweezer or something?
Look at this star. Hold on. What's the problem? I'm very excited about this look for you. What? You're a hater. You're such a hater.
I'm not. I just don't really see like what is the cool thing about it.
It's an outline star.
Yes, okay, I got it.
On your eye.
I think like for a Halloween costume, maybe it would be cool.
Sure, whatever, but like the whole process is easy and it's fast and
Yeah.
like you're doing something cool with your makeup.
This is a great hack, yes, but I want a hack that's gonna help me with my makeup every day.
She a hater, y'all. She a hater.
What I will say is I really like this palette. Look, it's so mermaidy, look.
Oh, it's okay. How does that feel?
Literally,
It's fine.
I literally don't care.
I feel nothing.
Yours looks really great.
Let me see it.
I really tried to blend, but
No. Jackie, why is it all the way up here? It's supposed to leave a nice
Oh well, yeah,
gap.
you go up and you
Yeah.
clean it, obviously.
Yes, I think that's why it looks like that.
It's a work in progress.
Some things are great hacks. Some things just don't need to be a hack. And other things are just kind of fun and other things are 100% just for views. And I feel like it's so obvious, but regardless of all of that, to be honest, this is what TikTok is all about. And this is what like viral videos are all about. They go viral because we're still watching it. So power to the creators that are doing these things because I don't really care. At least it's fun and interesting and different. And like, let's be real. There's not enough fun things in the world these days. So if putting on stars on our eyelids is
brought me joy.
something random we can do on a Wednesday, then hell yeah, let's do it. Anyways, I had a lot of fun with these, except for that concealer thing. That was whack.